In this video, I want to talk to you about the 5 fastest ways that I grew my local business. Some of these ways are paid methods, and some of these methods are also completely free. All of these methods are ones that I highly recommend because I spent over 5 years so far marketing my business, and this is hands down my list of what has worked best for me. Before we get started, please like and subscribe if you want to be on top of the latest marketing trends for local business owners. Without further ado, tip number 1. The number 1 fastest way that I grew my business in the past 5 years was with Facebook ads. Now, there's probably 100 different reasons why I love Facebook ads, but hands down the greatest one is that it's the fastest path to new customers. Whether or not you find yourself posting a lot on social media, it's exactly where your clients are hanging out, and so we need to be showing up there. It's also still one of the cheapest forms of advertising that can be found for local business owners. Now, Facebook has a million ways to get in front of exactly who you're looking for, but I have to save that for another video. Another great thing about Facebook ads is you can hyper-target your customers. So let's say you're a dog groomer. You can look for women above 40 who have pets, even a specific type of pet, and who shop a lot online. Imagine being able to put your ads only in front of who you want to see them. Well, Facebook ads to this date is really the only platform that has that capability. So if you haven't jumped on that bandwagon yet, definitely look into it. Number 2, Google Ads. Google Ads is the best way to catch people when they're in that informational stage of buying. When someone hops on Google and they type in the service that you're offering, like let's say some sort of plastic surgery procedure. They type it into Google, they see your ad come up, and then they land on your website. This is how most local businesses are found that have an offer or service that is more than $1,000. Now, here's something I really want you to consider. If you're already running Google ads, I want you to consider running both Google and Facebook ads, because really they can work together even though the companies are not affiliated. I'll explain. When a customer goes on your site because they're intentionally looking for your service, they're not ready to pull that lever and purchase yet. Typically, they're checking you out and they're checking 10 of your competitors too. They land on your website and then they hop off, and unless they've written down your information, you will likely never hear from them again. Here's where the power of Facebook ads comes in. The true power of Facebook ads is that it can follow people who have visited your website but not taken action. So let me ask you this. Do you know what has happened with the last 500 visitors from your website? Probably not. Do you know who visited your page in the last 30 days but hasn't purchased? Probably not, but Facebook does. So what you can do is run Google ads to cold traffic, people who've never heard of you before, and then retarget them, right? Which is showing them your ads on another platform, which is Facebook. And on that platform, you can take the time to nurture that audience over the next 30 or 60 days so that when they are ready to pull that lever and purchase, you become the name that they trust. So if you're already running Google ads but you haven't dipped your toe into Facebook ads yet, I highly suggest it. Now moving on to number 3, and you're gonna like this one if you want something that's free. Number 3 is Facebook groups. Y'all, everybody is sleeping on Facebook groups. First of all, it's completely free to post in a group. Second of all, they're everywhere and for everything. So let's say you own a dog grooming business and you just join a local group in Atlanta, Georgia for corgi lovers. Now what you can do is post some things that will provide value to the people of that community. So I'm not talking about being cheesy and spammy and just hopping into a group and putting something with your service and your price on it. Okay, please don't do that. Nobody likes that guy, okay? What I want you to do is provide value. Maybe you talk about the right way versus the wrong way to clip a dog's nails, the best organic dog shampoos. Whatever it is that leads people directly to why they should work with you is what you should be posting in those groups. I've found that for local businesses, it's the best way to provide value in a way that's free and build a really tight-knit community. And this doesn't have to be your Facebook group. It can be someone else's that you just hop in and become a valued member of. Number 4, living funnels, or local referrals. So based on the Dream 100 book by Dana Derricks, there's this magic technique you can do to grow your business so fast. And that's through making connections with other people who have your dream clients. For example, when you go to the gym and you see a flyer for a physical therapist or a chiropractor or a smoothie shop, all of those businesses have something in common with the gym, and that's that their customers are all interested in those things. So each and every one of those businesses can benefit by making nice with the gym and getting them to allow them to promote their services there. These are businesses who have the same exact clients as you, but you're not in competition with each other. So this is the perfect blend of collaboration over competition. Number 5. The number 5 way to grow your business is through word of mouth. Yes, we all know this. Word of mouth is the best. Word of mouth is the fastest and most reliable way to grow your business, and it's the least expensive. On average, it actually costs 6 times more to get a new customer than have one come back or through referral. However, if you're just starting your business, it might be a little hard to get this word of mouth. So I'm going to go over 2 options here. First, we'll cover some ideas to get some word of mouth referrals if you do have a large customer base. And then we'll go over some options to do if you don't have any customers yet. So first, if you already have customers, you can simply ask them to like and share an email with a special promotion. You can offer them a $5 coupon for a referral or any coupon of your choice. I've seen hairdressers do like $25 off your next service or 25% off of a service at an auto mechanic shop. All sorts of ways that you can ask where it's in a way that benefits the person that refers you. And I want you to remember that paying attention to numbers in a way where you may think, oh, but then I'm losing 25%. You're gaining a new customer who is likely going to become a lifetime customer if you do a great job with them and refer other people. So really, this comes at a very small cost to you. Now, if you don't really have a large existing customer base, what you can still do is just get a couple of testimonials and then run Facebook ads for $1 to $2 a day in your local area. And guess what? You're building social proof. And what that means is that the people around who are seeing this ad are starting to know you a little and trust you because they see that other people are promoting your great work. Well, those are the 5 ways that I use to grow my business the fastest, even during a recession. And I want to say these all worked even during the pandemic. Well, I hope this video has provided you a lot of value. If you need a one-to-one custom marketing strategy for your business that helps you shorten the path to revenue, I'm going to go ahead and link to that below, and we can see if we're a good fit to work together. And we can schedule a call to go over your unique needs and your unique market and find a way to grow your business. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you want more local business marketing tips.